Hi viewers, welcome to the QZ Group.
Kindly subscribe our channel to get regular price updates of agri commodities, spices and vegetables in India. Now we are going to see onion wholesale price in major parts of India. Kindly share this video to your friends and farmers. Now we are going to see onion wholesale price in major parts of Karnataka. Marketplace Belgaum, onion arrival 1,81,000 kilograms. Pusa red, minimum price 11 rupees and maximum price 18 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Chikmagalur, onion arrival 5,000 kilograms. Minimum price 18 rupees 60 paise and maximum price 20 rupees 60 paise per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Hospet, onion arrival 3,000 kilogram. Maximum price 19 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Davangere, onion arrival 42,000 kilogram. Minimum price 5 rupees and maximum price 15 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Mangalore, onion arrival 27,000 kilogram. Minimum price 20 rupees and maximum price 24 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Ramnagara, onion arrival 14,000 kilogram. Minimum price 14 rupees, maximum price 24 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Shimoga, onion arrival 12,000 kilogram. Minimum price 16 rupees and maximum price 20 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Bangalore, onion arrival 14,22,000 kilogram. Local variety minimum price 14 rupees and maximum price 18 rupees per 1 kilogram. Pune variety minimum price 18 rupees and maximum price 22 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Hubli, onion arrival 2,51,000 kilogram. Telagi variety minimum rupees 5 and maximum price 20 rupees per 1 kilogram. Pune variety minimum price 5 rupees and maximum price 23 rupees per 1 kilogram. Now we are going to see onion wholesale price in major parts of Andhra Pradesh. Marketplace Pattikunda, onion arrival 1,000 kilogram. Minimum price 20 rupees and maximum price 30 rupees per 1 kilogram. Onion wholesale price in major parts of Haryana. Marketplace Gurkhan, onion arrival 47,800 kilograms. Minimum price 13 rupees and maximum price 15 rupees per 1 kilogram. Onion wholesale price in major parts of West Bengal. Marketplace Bankura Sadar, onion arrival 18,000 kilogram. Nasik variety minimum price 22 rupees and maximum price 24 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Nadia, onion arrival 4,000 kilogram. Nasik variety minimum price 24 rupees and maximum price 26 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Karimpur, onion arrival 22,000 kilogram. Minimum price 34 rupees and maximum price 36 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Purila, onion arrival 16,000 kilogram. Minimum price 20 rupees and maximum price 23 rupees per 1 kilogram. Onion wholesale price in major parts of Maharashtra. Marketplace Devala, onion arrival 1 lakh kilogram. Minimum price 7 rupees and maximum price 22 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Kolhapur, onion arrival 6,40,000 kilogram. Minimum price 7 rupees and maximum price 24 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Morshi, onion arrival 1,000 kilogram. Minimum price 7 rupees 10 paise and maximum price 18 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Pune, onion arrival 9,36,000 kilogram. Minimum price 8 rupees and maximum price 20 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Pune, most onion arrival 44,000 kilogram, minimum price 5 rupees and maximum price 18 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Yellow, onion arrival 11 lakh kilograms, minimum price 3 rupees and maximum price 18 rupees 78 paise per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Solapur, onion arrival 15 lakh 21,000 kilogram, minimum price 1 rupee, maximum price 23 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Masni New Mumbai, onion arrival 12 lakh 49,000 kilogram, minimum price 16 rupees and maximum price 23 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Sangli, onion arrival 2 lakh 11,000 kilogram, minimum price 9 rupees and maximum price 20 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Nagpur, onion arrival 2 lakh 40,000 kilogram, red variety, minimum price 16 rupees and maximum price 22 rupees per 1 kilogram. White variety, minimum price 15 rupees and maximum price 17 rupees per 1 kilogram. Now we are going to see onion wholesale price in major parts of Kerala. Marketplace Anchal, onion arrival 500 kilogram, minimum price 75 rupees and maximum price 77 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Perumbavoor, onion arrival 3000 kilograms, minimum price 16 rupees and maximum price 18 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Angamali, onion arrival 2000 kilogram, big variety, minimum rupees 28 and maximum rupees 34 per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Perumbra, onion arrival 900 kilogram, big variety, minimum price 23 and maximum price 26 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Haripad, onion arrival 760 kilogram, minimum price 25 rupees and maximum price 30 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Chenganur, onion arrival 500 kilogram, small variety, minimum rupees 65 and maximum price 70 rupees per 1 kilogram. Big variety, minimum price 25 rupees and maximum price 30 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Palakkad, onion arrival 13,000 kilograms, small variety, minimum price 55 rupees and maximum price 60 rupees per 1 kilogram. Big variety, minimum price 27 rupees and maximum price 32 rupees per 1 kilogram. If you like this video, kindly like and share to everyone. If you have any doubt, kindly comment below this video.
Thank you for your support by watching our video. Kindly subscribe our channel.